Hello everyone, good day. Today we're going to discuss about lesson 16 role play and simulation. This is something that we are all excited every time teacher implement or use teaching strategies. Tips. Discuss role play and simulation as instructional strategies. 2. Explain how role play and simulation are used in elementary social studies instructions. 3. Develop a lesson plan that uses role play or simulation in elementary social studies. In this chapter, we will learn what these strategies and how it's implemented in the classroom. Now, we have role playing and simulation. What is the difference between of two? Now, role playing and simulation are strategies categorized under creative dramatics along with dramatic play and mock trial. We have role playing is unrehearsed dramatic presentation that enables participants to explore alternative solution to a given problem. So, minsan, may misunderstand unrehearsed pero may tinatawag tayong role-playing pero planado. Ginagawa natin, nagpa-practice tayo, which is hindi pala yun role-play. Kasi kung ang role-playing is unrehearsed, we cannot say ang ginagawa nating nung elementary, high school tayo, even at college, that we need to rehearse, we need to prepare, we need to memorize the script. That is not role-playing, okay? On the other hand, simulation it is a strategy that provides a presentation of some phenomenon, event, or issue that exists or existed in the real world, usually in the form of the game. Okay, now this simulation usually that the teacher will give a scenario or scenario are really happening in the present compared to a role playing. It is unrehearsed or solve the problem, but here in simulation it is what you need to act something based on real life. That's okay. Play and simulation. Role play and simulation are founded on the experiential learning theory of Dewey 1938 and called 1975, which believes that students learn best when they are presented with concrete experiences they can reflect on, analyze, and test in new situations. Of course, in social studies, these two strategies are useful in examining abstract concepts, controversial issues, and topics that entail an examination of beliefs, attitudes, and moral decisions. Okay, but the question, what are the steps and how we going to implement this? So here our steps of role playing and simulation. This can or both of them can be implemented through these 5 steps. For number 1, initiation and direction. This one involves setting the state for the role play or simulation by identifying and discussing the problem to be solved or situation to be experienced by the students. Now next, describing the scenario. The teacher presents the situation through explicit instruction or media presentation, showing a picture, watching a video, reading a story, etc. Okay, followed by assigning rules. The teacher, student, members of the class, and assigns them characters. The actors or actresses and audience are then briefed about their rules. In rules play, a short rehearsal may take place before proceeding to the next part. Okay, now for the number 4, enactment. Students present their scenarios or engage in the simulation. And number 5, debriefing This is considered as the most integral part because reflection, generalization, and conclusion take place here. Character and audience process their actions and feelings and pose questions. In role playing, switching of roles may be done to offer alternative solutions. Advantages. They make abstract concepts and ideas more concrete by letting the students experience them in a safe, non-threatening way. Useful in helping students develop a sense of empathy and social awareness. They have to think of how others might feel and what consequences they may face. Makes students highly enthusiastic and motivated. Number 1. Know your students. Choosing students who are timid to perform may affect the conduct of the activities, especially if they are given crucial roles. But it is important also to give everyone a chance to act, not just those who always volunteer. Number 2. Constantly remind students that the rules represent the character and not their classmates to avoid typecasting. 3. Assign tasks to the audience. While watching, they can write their observation or note questions that will be entertained in the debriefing part. 4. For computerized simulation, always preview the content. Some themes, scenes, and language might not be suitable for elementary students. 5. Be aware of your own role as a teacher. The teacher may act as a coach, clarifier, discussant, or observer, depending on the readiness and ability of the student.